Okay, so this is the video about the Phillips Sonic Care toothbrush. So toothbrush just stopped working. Motor was spinning, but it did not vibrate. So well, it is maybe 2 years old or so it's a little dirty. But the inside of it is quite a bit of engineering. Inside looks like new. Okay, so what happened is this tip here is supposed to vibrate, but it doesn't. So what happened is well, I took off this part here, which is very dirty, so I'm gonna clean that up. Didn't need to do that, but only you need to do is remove this cap from the bottom. And what can you use is just a regular nail file. After the cap is removed, you look inside and you see those two tracks there. That's the clip that is right there. This one, same thing on the other side. So only you need to do reach in there and just bend them, pop them, and then just push it by the front so it will come out. Okay, so what's wrong with it? The only thing wrong with it is that little screw here. So that little screw, it was loose, but same thing what I'm using, just a file for it, but I will get a proper screwdriver. So you will notice this won't vibrate. So what happened, this screw is loose. So after I tighten it, just with that file there, the toothbrush works. So which way? Yeah, whichever button you press it, but I already tried. There's a light here, or this one. So you could feel it and hear it. Yeah. Okay, well, so that's it. I think I put it together, it will work. I thought it was gone. I shut it off. Maybe this. Okay. Okay, so if your toothbrush don't work, it is $100 something toothbrush, or 80 whatever. I think I buy 2 of them. So I say it is very well made, extremely well made. Metal parts, don't see much plastic in it except little housing. So only thing that is give you trouble will be this little screw. So I will go to the shop, get some Loctite, put on this screw, tighten it with a proper screwdriver, and just reassemble it. So battery is good, everything, very good quality battery. So only thing you need to do is tighten the screw and your toothbrush will be just fine. So don't show away your toothbrush if it, and it's kind of loose on the top. When this is inside, this is very loose. So now it's stiffen up. As I said, this screw holds that shaft, I guess, to assemble to whatever the vibrating mechanism there. Well, so that's my that's what I find out today. I thought I have to buy a new one, but that's what you're looking at.